Towards the end of the 19th century, a warped kind of Darwinism was applied to nations and empires. A commonly held view at the time was that in the future, strong nations would flourish, while weak nations would be crushed. A strong army became a necessity, and war was considered by all the major powers as a viable policy option in order to gain or maintain superiority. Britain needed a large navy to protect her colonies and trade routes. In 1893, she had adopted a policy called the two-power standard. This meant that the British fleet should be equal to any two navies in the world put together. If Germany wanted to have a large empire, she needed a large navy. So, through a series of new laws, the Secretary of the German Navy, Tirpitz, began to turn the German Navy from a coastal protection force into a battle fleet. In 1906, the British Navy launched the HMS Dreadnought, a new type of battleship that could outgun any battleship afloat. Germany started to build its own fleet of dreadnoughts, so Britain sped up her shipbuilding program. The naval race had begun. This naval buildup was part of a general arms race. Between 1870 and 1914, military spending by the European powers increased by a massive 300%, and conscription was adopted by all the continental powers from 1871. By 1914, more than 12 million men could be called into action in the event of war.